Now, this defines our purpose of our investigation.
On January, we began a study of mold. We learned that mold begins with spores in the air. Look all around you. There's spores everywhere, but you can't see them.
That's right. Spores can get onto the bread and with the right environment grow mold.
So, if mold grows, does that mean it is alive? Do you know the answer?
Yes.
That's right. Maybe not in the same way we're alive, but it is alive. Next, we wanted to find out if white or wheat bread would grow the mold first.
Research
is a part of medicine, helps our ideas grow. We learned that white bread flour and wheat bread flour are different. The white bread flour is mixed with chemicals and the wheat flour is left alone. We also learned about preservatives to put the chemicals into the food to make it last longer. Hypothesis is for her to guess and get on with the show. After learning about bleaching flour and preservatives, we thought that since mold needs the right environment to grow, that would mean the nutrients in the wheat bread would help it grow faster. In our investigation, we decided if preservatives would make a difference as well. To test our hypothesis, we put wheat and white bread with and without preservatives into plastic baggies and then left it alone. On day 11 of our experiment, mold began to grow on our white bread with no preservatives. There was still no mold growing on any of our bread. It's interesting because the breads came from the same loaf. On this day, we decided to put moist cotton balls into the baggies to see if the moisture would help the mold grow. On day 24 of experiment, mold was still growing on our original bread, but now on both sides. On day 24 on our experiment, there was still no mold. Finally, on day 32, mold began to grow on our wheat bread, no preservatives.
Okay. White bread with no preservatives grew the mold first, and that went against our hypothesis.
When we were shopping, we could only find organic wheat bread. Organic means all natural ingredients, and this may have been a fact to our conclusions.
All right.
Jasmina, you guys did great. That was awesome. You had a big long part to memorize too, huh, Jasmina? Was that hard to memorize? No.